Our next mobile is going to be the spiral mobiles, and Raven has done a wonderful demo for you all to learn from and enjoy to make your own spiral mobiles.
Hi guys, it's Raven, and today we're going to be making spiral mobiles. Here are a few examples on the screen. The materials you'll need for this project will be paper, a spiral template, transfer paper, and if you don't have transfer paper, you can use charcoal or chalk pastels to rub on the back of a piece of paper, and that's how you create your own transfer paper. And you'll need a pair of scissors, some string, and some beads. And you'll want to gather all the materials you will want to use to decorate your spirals with. I'm decorating mine with glitter, oil pastels, and markers. To begin, you're going to put your transfer paper over your piece of paper and then the spiral template on top of that. And now you're going to trace the spiral. And once you remove the spiral and the transfer paper, the spiral that you trace should be on the piece of paper that you want to decorate. So now go ahead and grab your materials and decorate the spiral however you want to, and make sure you decorate both sides of the paper. So I'm decorating the top side, and then after I'm done decorating the top side of the paper, I'm going to flip the paper over and decorate the other side. Once both sides of the spiral are decorated, you can cut the spiral out and set it aside. If you don't have a spiral template, you can freehand a spiral yourself and make one that way. I'm going to be making a double spiral mobile, so I cut out the same circle shape for both of the soon-to-be spirals, and now I'm going to decorate both sides of each of them. Once all sides of both of the circles are decorated, I want you to put each circle on top of each other and then cut the spiral out so the spirals are exactly the same. Now I want you to puncture a very small hole on the top of the spirals. This is so the string can go through it. I used a pin needle and a pillow to do this. Be very careful when you're doing this part. Next you want to take your string and find a bottom bead. And with your bottom bead, you only want to string one end of the string through that, and then you're going to find a second bead and string both ends of the string through that. So it creates a loop around your bottom bead to hold everything together so no beads fall off. And then I just tie a knot above the second bead to secure everything. Once you have strung up all the beads on your string, you're going to take both ends of the string, and from the bottom of both of your spirals, you're going to slide the string through the hole that we had punctured. And now you're going to find a top bead, and you're going to put both ends of the string through that, and then tie a knot on top to secure the bead. And then I just tie another knot like a few inches above, so I can hang it. And here's the finished product.